Media.
We do sound under
Media.
acoustics, under sound, under media.
Okay.
But for now, keep the media at home. Be coming with sound. Good. So we say acoustics. So who can tell us? I told us a little about acoustics on Saturday. So you can just give us, even though not the full definition, but just give us one or two on acoustics. Yeah.
Acoustic has to do with driving towards like killing of unwanted noise or unnecessary noise. Has to do with having avoid echo.
Okay. Who else?
Yeah, okay. Acoustics. These are the instruments or materials that use to control the flow of sound.
Okay. So do we mention anything about physics? Do we mention anything about physics? No. So acoustics fall under physics. The wave of sound. You know, you can direct the wind, Abi? So you can direct your voice. You can direct your sound. So if you have your phone here, please bring it out and browse acoustics. If you don't have it, let me give you my internet. Let me give you my internet search acoustics. Acoustic is a branch of physics that deals with the study of what? Mechanical wave. Mechanical what? And gas, including what? Vibration. Are you there?
Including vibration.
No. Including types such as vibration, sound, ultrasound, and infrasound. Are we there?
And
Infrasound. Infrasound. Are we good? So now, in our definition of acoustics, so what do we understand by acoustics? Look at your book now, don't look at me. So what do we understand by acoustics in our definition? Okay?
acoustic helps to control unwanted noise or complex sound.
Okay. 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 So do we now believe that, okay? Okay. Okay. You're all right. Now, if we said solid, what does it mean? If we say liquid, what does it mean? And if we say gas, what does it mean? Talk to us now. Now, we mentioned about gas, Abi. We mentioned about liquid, and we mentioned about solid. So we mentioned three things. Now, the gas and sound, there's a liquid in sound, and there's a solid in sound. There's also vibration. Vibration, you cannot touch it, you can feel it. That's solid, Abi. Maybe so. Now, gas, you can only perceive it. You can't touch it, Abby.
Yes.
Now in sound, when someone is singing and you just see the person singing and you just know this person that is singing these things, it should be miracle. That's gas. You just perceive person singing. It should be this person. It should be this person or not. And liquid. So who can tell us about liquid? What do you understand by liquid anyway?
Liquid.
So now, is sound a substance?
Sound. No. No. No.
Is sound a substance? No. Okay, if sound is not a substance, so why then do we need acoustics to block it?
According.
You want to just raise up your hand, let me hear you. Okay.
So according to, he said that sound is a wave. That's what he said. And you know that wave, when it comes to wave, we know transfer of energy through this medium. So I am trying to relate that since you have liquid, so liquid can accept this wave form.
Okay.
Like that. So somewhat related.
Okay. Let's come on. What I do? I'm not a science student though. But when I talk, sounds wave, sounds particle, sounds. I not the other one. But when it comes to practical, we'll know. Don't come about me reading for book and say, Oyinbo say, Oyinbo no say. So type of acoustic. We have environmental noise, musical acoustic, ultrasound, infrasound, vibration, and dynamics. I come again. Environmental noise, musical acoustic, ultrasound. Are we there? Infrasound. Yes, infrasound.
Infra.
But say I'm not be this. I no go school. Vibration and dynamics. So time will not permit us to, to digest this one after another. But first, I gave you assignment now. I gave you guys assignment.
Yes.
Yes, I gave guys. So those three that are here. So where is the assignment? Miracle, you are here. Victory, you are here. And what's that name?
Green guy.
Green. Oh, is that why you're putting on green?
Joseph.
No, Josephine.
Was there? She was there.
I wasn't here, but assignment not reach,
Josephine. Where are you here? No. Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw you. I saw you. There's an IB here. I saw you. So is that an excuse?
I think I left my assignment to download. Okay.
Assignment, I went on You did yours. So you did it. What is that?
Okay, that is mom is at home now. I don't know what you do now for.
Also say you did. Or that chop my own.
So what was the assignment I gave you guys?
5.
Not even the 5 is not the important thing. It's the DB. I say you should go and do it and come and tell me.
Meaning of what?
Health.
The 5 is not important. I just use that to tell you. Eh?
Can I read my assignment?
No.
Guys, do my assignment to my phone. All of it from my notes. Okay, so DB.
Let me see.
Okay, DB is my notepad, I beg. DB is the unit for expressing the ratio between two physical quantities, usually amounts of acoustics. No, now we have to browse it and put it.
I say browse it.
So I go to my notepad. Hey now, we have to obey our
Okay,
teacher.
okay, say, please wait.
So
I asked you to browse it.
Yes.
Does not mean you should just give me word to word. Ali, understand it. Did you understand it?
let me explain.
Did you understand it?
So I'll read out what I have first and then
No.
explain it.
Did you understand it?
Eh.
What you are reading now, you are understanding it. Okay,
So
so
is
that
the
means
unit-
you did your own assignment. Right?
Yes, I did.
Sit down.
I can't drop the phone and explain it now.
So now these 5 things I give to this type of acoustics will be our next assignment.
To find the type.
No, now I've given you types. You go and explain.